Hey loves, happy Sunday. So we're gonna make for Sunday dinner today some rice and cheese. We're gonna make whole grain rice, quinoa, and red kidney beans medley. We're just mixing up the grains and fusing it together to make a powerhouse, grainy, fluffy goodness. So you're gonna start right away. I'm not gonna talk a lot. So I've got my pan here. So the first thing we're gonna do is to turn on my heat on low heat, and I'm gonna use some coconut oil. I'm just gonna put the coconut oil and like infuse it with some herbs to get properly infused. Then we're gonna pop in our grains and cook it. It's as simple and easy as that. Some people use coconut milk for this type of recipe, but I'm not using coconut milk. I'm using coconut oil to give it that coconutty, nutty flavor. So yeah, let's get started. So I've got my coconut oil here. I'm gonna pour up a spoon. I'm just gonna use 1 big teaspoon of that. I'm just gonna pop it into my pan. Like so. And I'm gonna show you how we're gonna cook my quinoa and rice, the exact measurements that I use for this recipe. So in here we've got some quinoa, we've got 2 cups of whole grain rice, and we've got 1 cup of quinoa, mixed quinoa. So I'm just gonna give this a good wash in the sink, and we're using black eyed peas. So I'm gonna wash this and add the black eyed peas, give it a good wash, and we're gonna just simmer it into this oil infusion. So let's go to the sink. So my oil is all hot. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop in 1 time, herb in there like so, and I'm gonna add some. So 2 times praise, and I'm gonna add in some herb in there. Turn on my candle. I love when I've got my candle light in the background. So for my thyme sizzling, and I'm just gonna add in some garlic. I'm just gonna grate a few garlic into it. Oh my God. It smells lovely in my kitchen already. It's really good. It just really elevates the flavor. So this coconut, garlic, and thyme. It's just a nice herb. So once this is like that, I'm just gonna add in some black pepper.